You don't see parking like this every day. This is the scene that greeted hotel guests at the Regency Hyatt in Sydney, Australia. This morning, a bright orange Subaru SVX sitting on top of a Porsche Carrera Convertible is unusual even in a city where parking is at a premium. According to the Brisbane Times, the accident occurred when a hotel valet had mistakenly put the Porsche into the wrong gear and rammed straight into the back of the Subaru. The force of the impact had pushed the SVX up over the top of the 911, and the short trip ended with the Kia Cerato being pinged against a wall. Thankfully, no one was injured in the accident, and the emergency services arrived quickly to extract the hapless valet from the squashed 911. They had to cut part of the car away to get inside, so there will be a fair bit of repair work needed to get the 911 back on the road. The quad tailpipes and LED taillights indicate that this is a 991.2 facelifted Carrera S. That means it has a 3.8-liter flat-six, 380 horsepower and a 0-60 miles per hour time of 4.7 seconds. While the rear wing can be locked in the open position, it usually deploys above speeds of 50 miles per hour. Whether the valet managed to get this bad boy up to that sort of velocity in such a short run-up is unlikely. However, the way the Porsche turfed the Subaru up in the air like that does suggest a measure of speed was involved. The valet was given the day off after the incident. Whether this turns into a permanent situation will likely depend on the outcome of the investigation that the hotel management will be conducting over the coming days. Hat tip to A&S Crane.